to sketch inequalities. So let's start off with something very simple. If I were to say x is greater than 3, this means if you're going to graph it, the 0 here and the 3 here. This means an open circle, and the direction of the arrow is going to go this way. Another way that they have it on exams is they put a parentheses, and then you draw this. What happens is, if you were to have something like this, put a 0 here, a 3 there, this means it's going to be a circle, but it's going to be a dark circle, a closed circle. And then you trust the arrow because the variable's on the left-hand side. So therefore you go like this. And then another way that they could put it on the final exam is a bracket. This bracket is going to go like this. Okay, so again, open circle, parentheses. Dark circle, bracket. Let's see a couple more examples that are important. If you have x is less than or equal to negative 10, what happens when you have negative 10? Well, you put the 0 wherever it is, and the negative 10 is somewhere here, negative 10. So this is going to be a dark circle because it has an equal, right? And you trust the direction of the variable, because, of the arrow, because the variable is on the left-hand side. So because of this, you're going to go to the left, over here. See? Like this. Okay. Now, let's talk about something when it becomes more complicated. What happens when you say something like, if they were to say 4 is less than x is less than 10? Now, first, I'll do two things. The first thing is, I want to change, well, I want to pair these up. I'm going to pair this piece first. This becomes 4 is less than x. And I'm going to pair this piece up, right? Which is x is less than 10. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to say, I want the variable on the left-hand side. So I put the variable on the left-hand side, I put the 4 on the other side, and since I flip these guys, I have to flip this direction of the variable, this direction too. Okay? So now, again, I can trust the direction of the arrow because my variable is on the left-hand side. Now let's do this. Is the variable on the left-hand side?
Yes.
Yes. So now we could graph this stuff. How can we graph it? Well, we have the 0, right, to give us some point of direction. We have the 4. So we're going to say that the 4 is here. And what do we know about the 4? It's going to be a dark circle because it has an equal sign.